Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken zombie, the only way to truly impress your guests with a ghoulishly good meal. We'll transform ordinary chicken into an extraordinary, spooky centerpiece. This unique dish combines delicious flavors with a fun, eerie presentation, perfect for any themed party. Get ready to unleash your inner culinary mad scientist and craft a memorable, edible masterpiece that will have everyone talking. To begin, select about 2 pounds of bone-in chicken thighs or drumsticks. These cuts provide the perfect texture and shape. Marinate them in a mixture of soy sauce, a touch of black food coloring, and a hint of smoked paprika for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Then, slow cook the chicken for about 3 hours until it's incredibly tender, almost falling off the bone, ready for its transformation. Now for the fun part, assembly. Carefully arrange your tender chicken pieces on a large platter, forming a rough, eerie shape. Use a base of creamy mashed potatoes or fluffy white rice to give the body some volume and texture. For those gruesome details, strategically place thin strips of roasted red pepper to mimic wounds, and use sliced green olives for unsettling eyes. To complete your masterpiece, gently drizzle a rich, dark gravy over the chicken, creating a wonderfully decaying appearance. A sprinkle of fresh, finely chopped parsley can add a surprising touch of life, or perhaps unlife, to your creation. Present your magnificent chicken zombie with pride. It's a dish that promises both a thrilling visual and a delicious culinary experience for everyone at your gathering.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.